Hey guys, welcome to Code. So in this video, as you're already following my playlist, which I'm pretty sure of, because I'm a good teacher. So in this video, we'll be talking about scroll to. What does scroll to do? So when I choose scroll to, which I will not, because first I will just prepare the screen for it. So we don't need two screens. So one screen is enough for it. I'll go to the design panel, and then I'll just make it feel almost white. And now I'll just make a button. Okay, I'll now give it a color of maybe blue, like something some purple. I'll give it some border radius. Maybe I'll just make it a rounded button. Now I'll make it an auto layout. And now I'll prepare the text for it, which is by now. I'll increase the font size of it, maybe 24. Oh well, I'll give it a color white, and I'll increase the font size to maybe 48. Now I'll be changing the padding. Horizontally, maybe I will give it 32, and vertically, maybe I'll give it 16. Now that we have a buy now button, so what I want to do is I just change the text, like scroll, and when I scroll, I want my screen to go to this text block, which I will fill with some lorem ipsum text. Okay, so now what I want to do is when I click on this button or tap on this button, if you are doing it on mobile, then I want the screen to automatically scroll to this position, to the top of the text block, which means here exactly. Now how do we do that? So we do that first by going to the prototype panel and then clicking on this button. Now you have to make a connection to this text block and then choose P. You see, when I internally made a connection, it automatically came to scroll to animation. And scroll to where? Scroll to this lorem ipsum text when on tap, which means when you click on this button or when you tap on this button if you are on the mobile, and the animation will be instant. Okay, so now we will go to the prototyping screen and press R on keyboard to refresh your prototyping. Now when I tap onto this, you see it automatically went to that screen. Currently it's an instant animation, that's why you cannot see it, but it's not a new screen, it's just on the board, on the very bottom of the current screen. So whenever I click this button, it scrolls to that position. That's what it does. Now it's currently an instant animation. Maybe I will do an animate, and we will leave it to the ease out only. Now, and I will also change the timing also 300, just to show you clearly what's happening. Okay, so I have done it to 900 milliseconds. Now, when I refresh and I click on it, you see it scrolled to that text block. You see how it is scrolling to that text block? So that's what it does. Okay, so I hope you understood this, and if yes, then like, share, and subscribe, and continue watching my videos. In the next video, I'll be teaching you about how to open external links by clicking on something. If you want to show to your client, okay, that when I press this button, it will go to an external website, and this is how it will open. So all those kind of things you can show to the client while designing without going into code in this manner by uh, by having an open link option. So thank you guys.